Hi there, welcome to 7410 Shadywood Drive. Nestled right outside the heart of downtown Austin, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, little over 1,800 square foot home has just been redone. I am so excited to show it to you. Come on, let's go take a look. Thank you so much for taking the time to come see this gorgeous home. I'm so excited for you to see more of it. If you're interested in your own private tour or want more information, give me a call, 512-743-9285. Your future home is waiting and I can't wait to meet you.